Hello, and welcome to REGO-FIX TechChat. My name is David McHenry. I am the Engineering and Technical Manager here at REGO-FIX USA. One of the questions we get asked quite frequently as new cutting tools are developed is, how does the powRgrip system work with X new system? Well, one of those new systems that we've been playing with, and a lot of our customers have been as well, are the new ceramic end mills. So let's look at powRgrip, how it works with ceramic end mills, and what you can expect. Several manufacturers now have come out with ceramic end mills, and those end mills are made to work on heat-resistant superalloys, like this Rene 65. Why do they do that? Why do we have and why do we see ceramic end mills, and where's powRgrip fit into all this? Well, typically, if I was to machine this with, say, a carbide end mill, I would have to change tools very frequently. Within minutes, each cutting tool would wear out because the heat-resistant alloy is very abrasive and very aggressive, and the carbide, even with some of the super coatings, just can't hold up to the abrasiveness of the cut in the Rene or the super alloy. So I would go through a very large quantity of end mills, and my cutting process would be very, very slow. So manufacturers have developed ceramic end mills. Now the advantage of a ceramic end mill is, one, I can operate at much higher RPMs in my machining center, which plays just fine for powRgrip. I can cut for much longer periods of time. To give you an idea, we cut this entire pocket out in about 24 minutes with a ceramic end mill. If I was to do this with a regular carbide end mill, it would be anywhere from 3, 4 to 5 times that amount of time, and I would go through multiple cutting tools. We did it all with one. The big advantage that we see with the ceramic end mills is they have a very good lifespan in the heat-resistant alloys. And there are some very good tutorials you can find online that'll explain more about how the ceramic end mills work, but why does powRgrip work so well with them? So let's take a few moments and talk about that. The powRgrip system by design, it gives you the 3-micron TIR, which you would expect from a high-performance system. It also gives you high vibration damping. Well, what is vibration damping? Vibration dampening is taking out the vibration of the cut. So every time I have a flute that makes contact with the part, it is sending a shock wave or a vibration up through the cutting tool, into the collet, into the tool holder, into the machine, or from the cutting tool back into the part, which equals poor surface finish, broken chip edges, and just all around shorter tool life. Well, the powRgrip system, because the way that it's made, dampens the vibrations. And I could spend a whole day talking about how that works, but the powRgrip system has 3 different modes of vibration damping. Each broken surface, the cutting tool to the collet to the tool holder, is a method of vibration dampening. Each different material used in the assembly process is a vibration dampening process. And we actually have 3, the cutting tool, the collet, and the tool holder. Well, I also have 2 different types of stresses involved. I have a collet that's being compressed and a tool holder body that's been in tension, been stretched out to push the collet down in, and vibration doesn't like to travel across different stresses. So take my word for it, there are 3 different modes of vibration dampening built into that tool holder. Why is that important? Well, ceramics, just like you would think, like the plates you eat on at home, they're tough, but they're also very fragile. Having modes of vibration dampening built into the powRgrip system protects each one of those flutes, making them last longer. So it plays very well with ceramics. Well, what about the heat in the process? Well, ceramics get very hot, and as you'll see from some of the videos that we're going to show, you can actually see the end of the cutting tool glowing red as it is peeling material off of this part. Well, that's okay because all the heat is at the cutting tip, not up into the tool holder. Does the tool holder get pretty warm? Yes, it does, but that's more from the heat coming off of the part than it is from the machining process. So, no real issue with the heat, no real issue with the vibration dampening, and as mentioned before, that 3 micron TIR, that repeatable, easy to set, easy to use TIR and assembly process just makes powRgrip a very good option when we talk about ceramic end mills. If you have more questions, and I'm positive you do, feel free to reach out to our tech department. We're here to answer any questions you might have. Again, my name is David McHenry. Thank you for joining us.